Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. I'm just going to show you why I've not been posting many videos as of late. So, I've been given an opportunity to learn some things that I've never done before, and I always jump on that, especially when it's mechanical. So here we are. I'm going to show you right now what's going on, why I haven't been posting a lot lately, because a lot of my spare time has been doing this. Little 4R70W action right here. Pump's already rebuilt. Gonna redo all this, put all these steels and clutches in it. This band is bad. I've got a replacement on that already, but looks like we're dead in the water because we don't have a reverse band. The reverse band's bad too. I don't know where that went, but it's no good either. Dang it. Shift kit's all the way in. Brand new check balls, all that good stuff. So a very common issue on these is the plate will get a big crack in it because this thing pelts it in the 1-2 shift. So let's see, where is it? Right there. You can see that's all cracked up and everything. We got a thicker plate for it now, and that hat to prevent makes it a larger area that actually comes in contact with the plate now. This here's a compressor tool that I actually made, and using that to compress the spring down to put the snap ring in. Okay, that's all the way back together. This one here, you can just do this one by hand. This one here, you need a tool. This here just basically sits there. Got this all the way back in, by the way. I put these in without having the bands in it, so that was pretty cool. Well, so that's what I've been doing. That's where I've been at. I also wanted to come in and just show you there is a video that's going to be coming up on this. We've started the SN95 swap on the Frankie here. And I got the control arm up there. I got to a certain spot and I'm going to have to go dig out my hydraulic press, my ball joint press. I'm not going to go out and dig that out today. I got to make a lazy day out of it today. It's Sunday night and let's call it a week. Anyway, so that's what's going on. Learning to build transmissions. So far, I helped my buddy Ron do an AOD, and then I did a decent amount on the 4R70W. Obviously, with his supervision. Anytime I got stuck, I just said, hey, what's this? What do I do next? Type thing. But when it was all said and done, I put the shift kit in. We did the updated separator plate. Let's see, I also put a new EPC in it. We did both two bands are new. Overdrive and reverse bands are new. Anyway, it's on. We put it up for sale. It was just... he supervised me. I did it. He supervised me, and then we put it up for sale. So, yeah, probably be doing another one next weekend. 2-wheel drive also. Not too sure what year it is. Just a core that he's got sitting there that we're going to tear apart and make all brand new. Time is of the essence learning these transmissions, so that's why I'm doing it right now and focusing on it so hard. And who knows, maybe I'll have a little transmission table and everything in the 8.9 garage soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your time, and please like, share, subscribe, all of them wonderful things that you always do. Well, you don't always subscribe because you're already subscribed, right? Tell your friends to subscribe. Peace out.